never felt more comfy in my life.
Evelyn holding up, so it seems like
This piece right here is just like screaming, and I love it, and I want to make more of it.
Dude, I'm so hungry now. I want to buy a Fender Rhodes that's only mine.
Maybe already fallen. I'm going.
Maybe.
How do I share? Do I?
And little drop down next to following or something. Somewhere around it.
Wait guys.
Yeah.
I heard a knock on my door, but I didn't. Wait, I'm kind of scared. It's
That's
kind of
creepy.
it's kind of dark outside.
Are you expecting anything?
Wait, okay, can you be here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna just.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it like this.
Can you be careful?
Who is it? Wait, who?
Brandon is crazy. It's harder.
Can I come in?
What are you doing here? There's actually this one thing that has been kind of buried for a long time. I actually have this long lost brother that we separated when we were in elementary school, but it's like a whole story. I don't really want to talk about it just because, you know, it's kind of personal. But I thought I would just put it out there as context.
I need a place to crash.
Okay.
Psych! I ain't her brother! Would her brother be barefoot? Would her brother have her shoes already in the house? Would her brother come in and steal her iPad? I don't think so.
The chaos. Yeah, no, this isn't my brother.
Or am I?
Stay tuned to find out. We're so gonna get pulled over. Does anyone else like go back to their parents' house and end up just looking like their mom or like their dad because you're just wearing all of their clothes? I've never felt more comfy in my life.
像爱上你一样，他眼睛长得大大的。
用。所以它每一个做的东西都有不同的那个支持的工具啊。对。像这个我只要切一点点，所以我应该可以这样子把它推过去。
你有一天可以盖一个房子。
我做这个跟盖房子没有关系，因为盖房子是重大的重的。
你可以盖一个小房子，像后院那个房子。
可以盖一个狗屋。
Oh, after 4 hours, I'm finally back home and I need to fit a lot of food into my freezer, which means unfortunately my snowman has to go. But I haven't checked on my snowman in about like a week or so, or like a few months more like. And this is the remainders of my snowman. I'll put a reference of what it looked like when I first put it in, but now it just looks like this. So, goodbye snowman. I finally put everything away and have a chance to sit down and rest for a bit. Usually the drive back from Cali to Vegas isn't that like far. It feels a lot easier than like going to California. I came back to some parcels. I made these Patreon exclusive envelopes for like when I send out Patreon mail, and I wanted to do a fun color and I wasn't sure what color to use. I was thinking about red because I think I saw Lee's like red print on her envelopes and I thought it was super cute. But I think in Asian culture, my mom always tells me to not use a red pen to write my name because it's like bad luck or something. But I chose this like kind of babyish blue and it just says like happy mail for you, and I thought it would be like kind of a cute difference from what I already have. So yeah, these are my two envelope designs. I also got something else in the mail. So this brand called Soup Sue, I think that's how you say it. They reached out to me and they wanted to gift me a pair of pants, which I think is really cute because it came in like this lavender color. I think this would be a cute addition to my wardrobe, and it's a woman-run business, a Asian woman-run business. Thank you for sending me these. I'm gonna try them out. Good morning. This is the outfit for Monday. I'm wearing like all pastels, which makes me very happy. It kind of, I don't know, I don't think I've really worn like pastel pants with a pastel top. So this kind of makes me feel very like calm. These pants are really comfortable. Like they're super lightweight, so it feels like I'm not wearing pants at all. And it's gonna be perfect for Vegas summer when I don't want to get burned alive, but I still need to wear pants in public. Let's work. Let's get motivated. Let's scream internally, together, collectively. Okay, let's go. So I'm thinking a lot of thoughts right now, you know, as I usually do. When do I not obsessively think? My job title should just be obsessive thinker. But I'm thinking of making a new series. I'm not sure what I want to name it yet. I'm thinking it'll be like called Next Steps, and it'll just be me transferring my Etsy store to like either Squarespace or Shopify. I don't know yet. I just want like a whole new type of vlog content where it's just me moving on to my next steps, essentially. Or maybe it'll just stay as studio vlogs. I'm not really sure yet. But yeah, I'm trying to set like some deadlines for myself because I'm coming to realize that when you do work fully for yourself and not for clients and not for anyone else, as I was saying before my camera rudely cut me off in the middle, what was I saying? Oh yeah, deadlines. Okay, so when you have like clients, it's nice because you have someone else expecting something from you by a certain date, by a certain time, and whatnot. So all you have to do is import it into your calendar. But when you're doing stuff for yourself, that's when it gets tricky because I am more able to just be like,
oh, I can just, like hang out with my friends on Discord for a whole day and not work.
there's like less structure to my day. Essentially, I am working on like making deadlines for myself as if I'm my own client, which I think some of you also recommended. I know FurryLittlePeach does it sometimes where she literally types out a whole like client sheet where she has like a deadline, she has like deliverables, she has timeline, everything like just set, and she just pretty much works for herself like a client. I've been saving the photos that people send me of their pets wearing the Ronnie backpack or just laying on Ronnie, and I'm gonna illustrate one of them as a cover photo, but I want to post the rest on my feed. Like, they're so cute. Look at that yawn. And then this is Cunie. Wait, I think Radia sent me one without the text, so I need to go download that. But look at that yawn! Oh my god, I love animals so much. I think I'm gonna draw this bunny picture. I did some like really loose sketches of kind of like the proportions and how I'm gonna stylize it. I'm gonna give her really long ears. Wow, I haven't sketched like this in so long. Like, I usually don't plan my drawings, especially like this.
It's like she came from a relatively small town and just started thrusting it. She was just starting off, but people said that she was a big success. She was just so on a Broadway stage, but Million was played by my Olympian-like fiance, the other main character. He's actually the son of the family that owned it. He's working at the department store, but he actually had to get a second job. Inside the store.
It's so complex.
I know, I kind of loves it. So then they were at a charity event, all together. You guys work better as a team. Do you accept? And they were holding hands, and they happily accepted. Him and Evelyn holding up some seats. This is afterwards, but it seems like they're together because it's a really random thing to say, right? So it kind of insinuates that they're, how are you guys?
I finished my illustration of the bunny and it turned out really cute. I also edited all the pet pictures. So yeah, I just kind of cropped them to size and edited them so they're a little bit brighter and match a little bit better. I don't know if I want to post it today because it's already 11. I'm thinking of possibly posting it later too because I think Malin wants to also try to get her cat to wear it, and I told her if she sent me a picture I'll post it. So maybe I'll wait for her and then I'll post it. That was fun. That was a fun art session.
French woman, 2 months back in December, very frightened, is doing the rounds of the embassies, looking for help, making accusations, wild accusations, against a French gem dealer with an apartment near here in Putnam.
I designed a sticker for Patreon for May. It's kind of different from what I usually do, but I kind of wanted to do something different for this month just because I wanted to like do something I would be happy doing. I made this sticker, but it just says, "Look at you now." It's like kind of like a little motivational sticker of this flower, and it's a clear sticker, so it's gonna look like that. I did kind of like this white offset on it, so it kind of looks like a little screen print mishap. And I also did the same with the texture. It's kind of offset, so I don't know. Just trying to play with new techniques. And alongside of that, for the postcard, I did this illustrated page in my sketchbook, and I scanned it in, and I'm gonna just send it out as is. I am really happy with the color palette of this plant. Like, it's just so vibrant, and I love neon colors. I don't know why. Like, I'm so drawn to it. I don't typically use a lot of neon colors in like my digital illustrations. They're mainly like more pastel or more vibrant. I wouldn't say they're neon, but this is neon. This is like a highlighter. Let me see. Yeah, like my old works are all, I guess there are some more brighter colors in there, but not really neon. Yeah, I think the yellow is like the most neon color out of everything I usually use. So this piece right here is just like screaming, and I love it, and I want to make more of it. I was on like a work session all day with my friends, and now my gaga is on his way over, which is exciting. It's gonna be a 9-hour drive for him from where he's coming from. I'm on a call with him right now because he's gonna get here at like 2 a.m. I'm trying to make sure he doesn't die, and everyone else went to sleep already, so I think, should I stay up with him till 2 a.m.? I feel like that's the right thing to do. Yeah, I'll try my best. I'll stay up with him.
Just finished packaging all of my orders for today. I feel really accomplished. I'm not used to filming myself and having to move the camera around while I work.
I am almost there. 3 hours is nothing.
Exactly.
I shaved 10 minutes off, so it was from 150 now to 140. I can get it down to 130.
Bro, how fast are you driving?
I'm so excited to meet you in person. It's gonna be crazy.
Really? Oh my god.
Yeah.
I feel like it's not gonna be that different though. I feel like I'm gonna see you and it's gonna be like we're just on a call, but like in person.
Yeah, but like that first moment is always just like you said, surreal. It's like, holy shit, like we're not on a screen anymore.
Yeah, that's true.
I know they're gonna be like, "Where's your car, bro?" This is a drive-thru.
I just want some fucking sauce. Everything sounds so dirty.
You see him running?
Jeez.
He's freaking like sprinting.
Something wrong with me. Okay. How was it, Tiff? How was
So good. It is so good.
Oh. I was asking about Marco. I love you. Dude, I'm so hungry now.
This is the best thing ever.
Do you see Marco?
There are 2 cars behind him.
Oh, I love it.
I feel like I'm gonna finish this before he gets back.
Yeah, be slower. Or not.
Hello. I wanted to quickly come on here and explain to you what's going on because I feel like I've only told my patrons, but a few months ago I met Marco on Asian Creative Network. We kind of connected on there because he posted about wanting to start a content creator house in Vegas, and at the time I was feeling really lonely. I didn't really have a lot of people doing the same thing that I was doing here, so when people are off at work, I was typically always just, lonely. I didn't really have anyone. And, time flew by and we collected a few people that are now kind of, the members of this thing that we created called RedDoorTV. And we're gonna pretty much, everyone's gonna start flying in soon. Marco's the first one to get here because he's the one getting the house and, setting everything up. So yeah, pretty much in these clips, we're going to the actual RedDoorTV house where everyone's moving into. I'm not moving in there, but it's very exciting because a lot of our friends are coming in soon. I can't wait to see what we make. We're gonna have a YouTube channel, and I'm gonna make some occasional appearances there. But yeah, it's really exciting, and there's a lot to come in the future. This is the end of my vlog also, so I'm wishing you a happy rest of your week, and I hope you have a good one. See you later, skater. Bye-bye.